All right, for this video, I will be defining and exploring the relationship between productivity and economic growth. I will also later in the video explain what are components of productivity. An example of these that I'll go over later are physical capital, human capital, tech, improvement, and natural resources. So, firstly, productivity and economic growth are closely related concepts in the field of economics, and their interplay plays a vital role in shaping the overall well-being of a country's economy. Let's first define these terms, and then I'll explore their relationship at the end. So, firstly, productivity. Productivity refers to the efficiency with which resources are used to produce goods and services. It measures how much output can be generated with a given set of inputs such as labor, capital, and technology. In essence, it reflects the ability of an economy to produce more goods and services with the same or fewer resources. Secondly, economic growth. Economic growth, on the other hand, refers to the increase in a country's production of goods and services over time. It is often measured by the growth in gross domestic product, or GDP, which we hear a lot about in class. GDP represents the total value of goods and services produced within a country's borders. Economic growth is a key indicator of a nation's overall economic health and prosperity. Now let's explore the relationship between productivity and economic growth. Productivity is a significant driver of economic growth. They kind of have a positive relationship. When an economy becomes more productive, it can produce more output using the same resources, which leads to an increase in overall economic output. This in turn contributes to economic growth. A more productive economy can achieve higher standards of living, lower unemployment rates, and an increased economic well-being for its citizens. Now let's talk about the components of productivity. The components of productivity are often categorized into four main factors. Firstly, physical capital. Physical capital includes the tools, machinery, infrastructure, and facilities that are used in the production process. Investing in and improving physical capital can lead to increased productivity. For example, a factory with advanced machinery can produce more goods with less manual labor. Secondly, human capital. Human capital encompasses the knowledge, skills, and expertise of a nation's workforce. Education and training play a vital role in enhancing human capital. A highly skilled and educated workforce is more productive and can adapt to changing technologies and demands, thus contributing to economic growth. Thirdly, we have technological improvement. Technological improvement refers to advances in innovation, research, and development, and the adoption of new technologies. These innovations can lead to more efficient production methods, which in turn boost productivity. As technology improves, processes become more streamlined, reducing waste and increasing output. Fourth, we have natural resources. Natural resources, while essential, are not the primary driver of productivity and economic growth. The efficient use of natural resources is crucial, as their depletion or overuse can hinder productivity. Sustainable management of resources is essential to maintain long-term economic growth. To enhance productivity and promote economic growth, governments, businesses, and individuals can invest in these four components. Policies that support education and skills development, infrastructure development, research and development, and sustainable resource management can have a positive impact on an economy's productivity and consequently its overall economic growth. In summary, productivity and economic growth are interconnected, with productivity serving as a critical determinant of economic growth, therefore, again, a positive relationship. By investing in physical and human capital, promoting technological advancement, and practicing sustainable resource management, nations can enhance their productivity, leading to sustained economic growth and improved living standards.